Hi, in this lecture I will do the setup of VMs for Jenkins server, SonarQube server and different security tools that you can see in this PPT. So let me log into my AWS management console, and here I am going to launch two VMs. And let me go with version 22.04 and instance type it should be t2.medium, and key pair, let me create a new key pair. So this is a Node.js project, so I have given the name accordingly. Create key pair. So let me copy and paste it here. And security group, let me allow this HTTPS and HTTP, and further if you require to allow any port, we will do it manually. And I want the size should be 25, and everything seems fine. Let me click on launch instance. So it is going to create two instances. So one would be your SonarQube, another would be your Jenkins. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to log in to both the servers one by one and will install the required packages.